Hello dear students, welcome to the Utkarsh World. Today we are going to discuss your worksheet 5, that is Introduction to Verb or Action Words of SLP. Let us discuss in detail by taking different examples. Now, dear students, please tell me, what do you do every morning? Say serially. Yes, yes, you get up, wash your face, brush your teeth, bath. Do you know what are these? Or what do you call them? Yes, all these are the name of action words or doing words, or we may call it verbs. Dear students, like this, some of the action words or doing words you do every day are eat, drink, read, write, run, jump, sleep, fight, bake, cook, dance, and laugh. All these are action words, or we may call it verb. Let's look at few more examples. A man is reading. Here, reading tells us what the man is doing. So, reading is a verb. A boy is playing. Playing tells us what the boy is doing. So, playing is verb. Bunny is eating a carrot. Here, eating tells us what the bunny is doing. So, eating is a verb. A man is drinking coffee. Here, drinking tells us what the man is doing. So, drinking is a verb. A girl is running. Here, running tells us what the girl is doing. So, running is a verb. A bird is flying. Here, flying tells us what the bird is doing. So, flying is a verb. Dear students, from the above examples, we came to know that a subject is the person or thing that is doing an action. Verb: what subject does or what happens, or action words or something you do in the sentence is called verb. Types of verb: if there is one verb in sentence, the verb is single word verb. If there is more than one verb in sentence, the verbs are multi-word verbs. All verbs come under verb group. If verb is multi-word, then the end verb in the verb group is called main verb and the other verbs are auxiliaries. For examples, I play cricket. Here, play is verb group. There is one verb in verb group, so play is here main verb. Second, I am playing cricket. Here, I am playing is verb group. Here, playing is main verb, am is auxiliary verb. Like this, number 3, I had been playing cricket. Here, had been playing is verb group. Playing main verb, had and been are auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs are am, are, is, was, were, being, can, could, do, did, does, doing, have, had, has, having, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would. Dear students, now we have get some idea of action words or verbs by different examples. Now we will do tags 2 and 3 of worksheet 5 of SLP. Let's start. In tags 2 there are 9 sentences and in each sentence there is a verb. Only we have to circle it. In first sentence, I go to school every day. Here go tells us what I am doing. So go is here action word or doing word, or we may call it verb. So circle to go. Like this, in sentence 2, he eats pizza in the restaurant. Here verb is eats. In sentence 3, they play baseball on Friday. Here verb is play. In sentence 4, he hits me. Here verb is hits. In sentence 5, you read books very fast. Here verb is read. In sentence 6, the bird fly in the sky. Here the verb is fly. In the sentence 7, the dog chased the cat. Here the verb is chased. In sentence 8, we all watched the last match together. Here verb is watched. In the sentence 9, the waiter served us tea and biscuits. Here the verb is served. Dear students, our task 3 based on some doing words like cutting, peeling, stirring, boiling, cleaning, heating, mixing, grinding, grating, kneading, measuring, churning. Only we have to fill in the blanks choosing correct words. Let's start. A. My sister is dash the vegetables for a salad. My sister is cutting the vegetables for a salad. B. My mother is dash onions for the pakoras. My mother is peeling onions for the pakoras. We are dash save and puris for a bhel. We are mixing save and puris for a bhel. D. Father is dash atta for roti. Father is kneading atta for roti. E. Syamo is dash coconut for chutney. Syamo is grating coconut for chutney. F. My father is dash masala for biryani. My father is grinding masala for biryani. G. Sita is dash and dash milk for kheer. Sita is boiling and stirring milk for kheer. Dear students, today in this class we discussed subject, verb and types of verb. You will do task 4 of worksheet 5 of SLP as your homework. I hope for the real progression. Thanks, my dear students.